All right, your math lesson today is called Understanding Angles. Please open up your Google form so you can follow along with me. It would be really helpful if you also had a scrap sheet of paper and a pencil so that you can do your work on it. The first thing it says is make sure you watch the lesson video before completing this assignment. Mrs. Wellman has already gone through a lot of these exact same questions with you on her video. So if you haven't watched that already, stop this one, go back and watch her video before you move on, okay? Go ahead and put in your name. And then number 1, what angle is represented by the shaded area of the circle? On Mrs. Wellman's instruction video, it said a very important number for us to keep in mind is 360. That is the amount of the entire circle. Okay, so we can see right here that this circle is cut in half. So all we need to do is find half of 360 for the first one. She actually already did this, okay, but we're going to do it again. So 360 divided by 2 is going to give you half of 360, okay? 2 goes into 3 one time, that's 2, okay? Bring down your 6. 2 goes into 16 8 times, that's even. And then we've got a 0, okay? 180 degrees should be your answer for your first circle. Number 2 says what angle is represented by the shaded area of this circle? Now look at this circle. How many pieces do you have here? 1, 2, 3. If the total circle is 3 pieces and it's 360 degrees, we're going to divide 360 by 3. Okay, I want you to try that one on your own. Should go in there pretty evenly. Stop this video so that you can fill out your answer for number 2 on your own. When you're ready, we can move on to number 3. Let's see how many pieces we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, same thing. 360 degrees for the whole circle, divided into 6 pieces this time. Again, that number goes in very nice and evenly. So go ahead and divide that one on your own. Number 4 is a little bit different because I see, it's a little bit hard to see, but you should see 2 of these pieces shaded, okay? So what angle is represented by the shaded area of this circle? Here's a hint. Use your work from question 2 to help. Well, that's the same exact picture on number 2, isn't it? Except on number 2, it's 1, and on number 4, it's 2. There's a couple different ways you could find this answer. Okay, you could take 360 divided by 3 pieces and then add those numbers together because you have 2 pieces here. The other way I'm thinking that might be a little bit easier is if you take the 360 degrees from the entire circle and you subtract the answer you got for number 2, then you just have to do one simple subtraction problem. Okay, so whatever answer you got here on number 2, subtract it from the 360 degrees of the whole circle, and there you have your answer for number 4. If that's a little bit confusing why I did that way, you can divide 360 by the 3 pieces, and then when you have this answer, multiply it by 2 for the 2 pieces of that same circle, okay? And number 5, what angle is represented by the shaded area of this circle? Okay, this circle has 6 pieces. Again, we already did that on number 3, didn't we? So if you already have the answer to 1 piece on number 3, add it to itself again, okay? So number 5, whatever answer you got here, multiply it by 2. Okay, so 360 divided by 6 times 2, because there's 2 pieces of that exact same size. All right, seemed pretty straightforward to me, but if you have any questions, please let me know. I would be more than happy to help.